Your body shifts to burning fat more than sugar based on what kind of light you're sitting under. A new study, first of its kind, showed exactly that. Researchers took 13 people with type 2 diabetes through 2 4.5-day sessions in a controlled facility. Same meals, same exercise, same sleep. The only variable was the lighting. In one session, employees worked near large windows with natural daylight. In the other, the windows were blocked, so just standard fluorescent office lights. In the natural daylight group, whole body metabolism shifted towards significantly greater fat oxidation. We can tell that by measuring the rate of CO2 breathed out to O2 consumed, because we breathe out more CO2 when we're burning carbohydrates. This is strong evidence because it's not from a subjective questionnaire like, how did you feel? Did you have more energy? That sort of thing. It was an actual objective measure of gas exchange. And the shift in that ratio was the strongest at midday when the light difference was greatest. Evening melatonin was higher in the sunlight group. And when researchers biopsied muscle tissue and cultured the cells in a lab, the cells from the daylight exposed folks showed a shift in circadian rhythm. The clocks in their muscle cells remembered the light, even outside the body. That's metabolic flexibility, your body's ability to switch fuel sources based on what's needed. Because people with type 2 diabetes are typically stuck burning carbs when they should be tapping fat. So it's a big deal when daylight appears to help restore that ability to switch. We spend 80 to 90% of our time indoors under artificial light that doesn't change wavelengths through the course of the day. This study says that's not metabolically neutral. It's changing what fuel your body burns. So what do you do with this? Get natural light during your working hours. Sit near a window if you can. Doesn't even have to be direct sunlight, just light of that wavelength reflected in through the day. Take a midday walk for just 15 or 20 minutes rather than sitting in the break room getting even more artificial light from your phone screen. If you can't get real daylight, look into portable high melanopic lighting devices that you can put on your desk that actually stimulate cells in your eyes that measure wavelength changes, not just color differences. Your metabolism is listening to the light around you. The question is, what signal are you sending it? Full disclosure, this study was partially funded by a foundation with ties to a Danish company that makes skylights. I always check funding on studies, but it aligns with a growing body of circadian research that you can check out. So I wouldn't dismiss it entirely. The next step would be to independently replicate these findings, of course, in studies of bigger size groups. So check out the full study in the link in the comments.